A good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the puzzle page. Puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, January the 18th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. But you are interested in this one, the binary, because it's binary time. And this one will be number 99 30. 9930. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 22 printed digits. 22. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double 1s, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Then, between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the 1's comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Double 1's, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 4 1's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1's, here no, there no. Double 1's, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1's, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1's, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 1's. If I place number 5 there, then we'll have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. If I place the 5th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, 5th one. So that box should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1's, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1's. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Double 1's, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Then, let me think. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 4 1's. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay, and now between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Okay, here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's here, one, there, one. Double ones here, no, there, no. Double O's here, one, there, one. And double ones here, no, there, no. And double O's here, one, there, one. Let me check. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 5 minutes. Wow. This one without comparing. I like this one, yes. Without comparing. And if you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for this evening, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.